My name is Rahul, and my application name is Real Caption. So, actually, what is the Real Caption? Real Caption is an application which is used for um, translating and translating the audio input into different languages, right? Okay, so why real caption is introduced? I have made this application since we are working with many our other clients, which is not in India. I belong to India, so there is a language barrier in the communication between us or among us. So this application will help. This application will help us to communicate with the people which is in different countries as well. Oh, actually, there is a traditional solution for it as well. People used to get a mediator, hire mediator during the meeting. If people are from different countries joined in a meeting and they used to communicate with them, so they used to hire mediator, but translator. But the problem is translator can't have knowledge of multiple languages, right? So it's really tough. So what my application does, the real caption application does is you have to open the application and the conference application. Other people at their end will also open, and you have to select your choice of language as you get from the subtitle and the language you are speaking. These are two options you have to select, and you start meeting. Whatever you speak in English, suppose I belong to India, I know Hindi well, right? So I am speaking in Hindi and you are in Turkey. So you have to select the Turkish language. I will speak in Hindi, but you will get the subtitle in Turkey, and it's vice versa as well, right? Suppose there are five people belonging to five different countries. They need to just set the language, what the language they want as subtitle, and what the language they are speaking, and the rest my application will does for you. How real caption works? Actually, it takes your audio input feed and it sends to Google API. And from Google API, a speech to text API I have used, it converts the audio feed into text. And later on, the text is translated into the desired language which we have selected at your end, right?
Thank you, Rahul.
Okay. And for its demonstration,
Do we have any questions, or shall we continue with the demonstration?
Let's continue with demo.
Yes.
okay, thank you. For the demonstration, I have to just close this meeting, and because the two audio feed when comes and due to a speaker some noise occurs, so it will distract. So I am leaving this meeting, and Mustafa will join me, and he will share the screen. You will get the what I am saying on his screen, right? Hi, Mustafa.
Hi, Ro. I am on the channel.
Okay. Could you please share the screen to the?
Sure, I will share my screen. For the caption language, I choose Turkish. English is okay, I think. Yes, it's working. Yeah. It's good. How are you?
So maybe you can speak Hindu and translate to English so that everyone can understand.
Mustafa, can you set language to English so we can see?
Let me refresh the page because there is no option to change the language. Let's continue in the. Yes.
Thank you, guys. Thank you very much.